In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PowerPoint in OneNote. If you've ever wanted to keep your slides and notes together in one place, embedding your PowerPoint into OneNote is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll keep this simple and stick to the essential actions so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to your desktop on your computer. Make sure you know where your PowerPoint file is saved, like on your desktop or in your Documents folder, so you can find it easily in a moment. Have OneNote open to the page where you want the file to live. A good tip here is to click on the spot in your OneNote page where you want the attachment to appear. OneNote will place it near that cursor location. Next, click Insert at the top left. This is the Insert tab on the OneNote ribbon, and it contains options for adding files, images, and other content to your page. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it or maximize your OneNote window so the toolbar appears. The Insert tab is where you'll always go when you need to bring external content into your notes. Now, click File Attachment. This tells OneNote you want to attach the PowerPoint file itself to the page. Attaching keeps the presentation as a single file you can open later, rather than scattering slides as images. You might also see other options nearby, like inserting a printout, which creates slide images on the page. For this walkthrough, stick with File Attachment to keep the original file intact. Finally, select your PowerPoint and click Open. In the file picker, browse to where your presentation is saved, select the .ppt or .pptx file, and confirm. OneNote will add the PowerPoint as an attachment icon on your page. You can drag that icon to reposition it, right-click to rename it for clarity, and double-click it anytime to open it directly in PowerPoint. If your notebook syncs to the cloud, give it a moment for the attachment to upload, especially if the file is large. A few quick tips to finish up. Keep your PowerPoint file closed while you attach it for smoother syncing. If you collaborate with others, remind them to sync after changes so everyone sees the attachment. If storage space is a concern, consider reducing the PowerPoint file size before attaching. And if you don't see the attachment right away, check your internet connection and make sure the notebook's sync status shows no errors. That's all there is to it. With these steps, your slides and your notes stay together, organized, and easy to access.